Thanks, Scott, for coming back and talking to us. Today we're going to talk about what is digital transformation. And just to start out, let's level set. So what does digital transformation really mean to BP3 and BP3's customers?
Well, I think, first of all, digital transformation really represents an opportunity for any company, including our customers, to really rethink the way they're doing business. I think there are factors that weigh into that, the changes in technology, changes in the way people interact with their companies, with their vendors, with their customers. All of those things are bubbling up at a time that really gives customers the opportunity to rethink their business. And rethinking your business has kind of fallen under this umbrella of digital transformation. For BP3 and our customers, what we're really focused on is how do we operationalize those changes? So if you're looking at blockchain, how does that affect my business processes around it? How does it affect the way we do business? If I'm looking at cognitive, how do I get those insights from the CFO's desk or the COO's desk or the CEO's desk? How do I get those out to the front lines with my customers, the people who are actually interacting with them, so that it changes our business? And the same goes for data science and big data, right? All of our customers are seeing massive improvements in their business from these technologies, but they have to then figure out how to operationalize them. So it's sort of turning theory into practice. And that's really where I think BP3 and our customers are experiencing a lot of success, is to actually convert, and go from, sure, we have this idea and we have this insight, but now let's actually roll it out to our operations.
So do you have an example of a customer that's maybe doing this, using all of these new and exciting technologies and really operationalizing it?
Well, I think one classic example is a water treatment company in the UK that monitors water levels in all of the pipes in their system, as well as on the river, using IoT devices, right? So it's a great IoT use case. They collect a ton of data from these measurements every few minutes, but they also collect data from the weather going on around them, right? And so they look at weather forecasts, the flow readings that they're getting, and then that feeds into a decision management system that tells them when they have problems with blockage, nobody wants blockage, and when they have risks of a pollution event, right, or an overspill into the river. Those are bad events, right, for the health of the river ecosystem, as well as the people who get their drinking water from it. It's also a bad event from an economic point of view, because water treatment companies get fined when they have those sorts of events. So it's really a fascinating sort of example of applying, some old school, business, but applying to that new school tech, right? IoT sensors, collecting all the data and understanding the application of that to their business.
That's a great example. Well, thanks for joining us and talking about digital transformation. You can check out more videos about digital transformation on our BP3 channel.